Hey everyone, Zach with Exterior Recovery here. Day one of this complete exterior remodel. This one's gonna get all new siding, soffit, and fascia, and it's getting all new James Hardie. Then we're doing all a complete paint job, and it's gonna be brand new, so stay tuned. This is the James Hardie fiber cement siding. As you can see, it's got a really nice wood grain. It's a cement trim and a cement siding board, so it's not gonna rot on you like the old wood siding. And if you see here, we do flashings on all the trim, so that's gonna push all the water out and make sure everything lasts a long time for you. Back is looking beautiful. On this house, we also put a 1/2-inch foam insulation, so it's going to insulate the house more and then be maintenance-free product.